I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001 2015, and today we are going to talk about clause number 8.3, and under this subclause number 8.3.1 it is regarding design and development of products and services, and this is the general clause. So first of all, as usual, I will read out the requirement to you as given in the standard. Clause 8.3, design and development of products and services. 8.3.1, general. The organization shall establish, implement and maintain a design and development process that is appropriate to ensure the subsequent provision of products and services. So this is what the requirement is as given in the standard, and now we are going to discuss it in more detail. See, as the title says, the clause is regarding design and development of products and services. Now, the very first step when we want to provide products and services to a client or a customer is that the product or the service must be designed so that it is useful to the customer. It meets all their requirements, all the requirements of the standard, all the regulatory requirements, and anything that is required out of those products and services. So the first step, the very first step is that the organization has to establish, implement and maintain. So first of all, establish. So you have to think what is the product like, what is the service like, and what all things are to be considered while providing these services or the products. So design has got to be appropriate. So the design process has got to involve all the stages that are necessary for designing that product or that service. And the requirement could be different for different products and services. Like for civil construction, it could be the flood levels, it could be the soil characteristics, and things like that. And for say, if you are designing a product like a equipment, then what is expected out of that equipment, that has to be considered. What are those characteristics which the customer is expecting out of that product or that service. Accordingly, that service has to be designed, and for designing that service you have to consider certain initial data to be available so that design can be carried out accordingly. So the organization has to establish all those processes, and then once the design is carried out and the design is available, then the product has got to be prepared according to that design. So design has got to be implemented and maintained. Maintained means if the design, whatever is available, if something goes wrong with the availability of those details, then those details must be provided again to the people who are concerned with the design process, so that nothing is missing from that whatever is required for preparing the design and development of that product or that process. So it has all the requirements have got to be considered, and they have got to be appropriate to ensure that the subsequent provision of products and services is carried out in a manner which is fit for providing products and services to the client according to their requirement. So the design process has got to be considered according to what the product is, and initial data and things like soil testing, flood levels in case of construction work, and other details, materials involved, what are their characteristics, and things like that. So everything has to be known beforehand, and so that according to the design, the product or the service can be prepared and then provided to the client to meet their requirements fully and completely. So that is the requirement of this design. That is why we have to consider establishing and implementing and maintaining a design and development process. So accordingly, things have to be carried out. So I hope this is a very small clause. I hope general clause. I hope you have understood the requirement. And if there is anything by any chance which is not clear to you, please give your comment below this video so that I'll explain to you again. There should not be anything which is not clear to you. So, and if you are liking my videos, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also share my videos with your friends and colleagues so that whatever we are discussing, this knowledge can be availed by them also. And if your friends are in ISO, either in your organization or in any other organization, if they are working towards ISO, then ISO systems, then you must think of forwarding my videos, sharing my videos with them so that they can also take advantage. So, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that as and when I load my videos, the information regarding loading of the videos will reach you and you will be able to see my videos without any delay. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and we meet again on next Sunday and discuss clause 8.3.2, which is design and development planning. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you again on next